If you want to change the background of a video in CapCut, the process is simple and only takes a few steps. Start by launching your CapCut. Make sure you have already added the background you want to use in the timeline. Once the background is added, make sure it is not selected. Then scroll to the bottom menu and tap on Overlay, followed by Add Overlay. From there, choose the video you want to change the background of and add it as an overlay on the top of the background. After adding it, you can press and hold the background clip and drag it to extend its length so it matches the overlay video. Next, tap on the overlay video to select it and resize or reposition if it needed. With the overlay selected, scroll to the bottom options until you find Remove Background and tap on it. Then choose Auto Removal. Keep in mind that this feature requires CapCut Pro, which is a paid subscription. Once you enable it, CapCut will automatically remove the background from your video, leaving only the subject on the top of the background. Now I can export this video. So this way you can easily change video background in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.